You don't need a camera. You don't even need confidence. Just a voice and the will to start.
With only 3 tools, $0, and a little creativity, you'll have your own talking AI avatar today.
And by the end of this video, I and the other 2 avatars will be yours totally free. So buckle up, we're just getting started.
Alright, let's get straight into this one. You've probably seen channels like How to AI using a custom AI avatar to explain everything on screen, and their tutorials are fire. The way the avatar moves, the floating effects, the outfits, the little gestures. It's just so fun and creative. What makes it really cool is that they're not even using lip sync. It's a voiceover paired with smart animation, and somehow that combo just brings the character to life. And that's the beauty of a talking AI avatar. You don't need to be on camera. Whether you're camera shy, want to save time, or just want to build a faceless YouTube channel, this is a game changer. You can use it for tutorials, ads, shorts, Instagram reels, pretty much any content where personality meets storytelling. And the best part, you can do it all without showing your face. So in this video, we're going to create a cartoon-style avatar inspired by that How to AI look. To do this, I headed to Google ImageFX. I pasted in a few prompts to generate avatars in a cartoon style, and I used ChatGPT to help me come up with different poses. Just make sure to lock the seed value so you get consistent results with your character. Once I had the images, I uploaded them to ChatGPT and asked it to remove the background. It's super simple and works really well. I ended up with some awesome Studio Ghibli style PNGs that looked clean and unique. If you want another way to remove backgrounds, just upload your images to Canva. Use the background remover tool and it does the job automatically. If it removes anything important, you can easily restore it with the brush tool. You can also try Photopea if you prefer something closer to Photoshop. Both tools work great. Now let's talk voiceover. If you're going the free route and want to keep things faceless, just use your own voice. You don't need fancy gear. Record on your phone using your earbuds, or if you're on desktop, download Audacity. It's free and super easy to use. Plug in your headset, hit record, and once you're happy with the audio, export it as an MP3. That format works perfectly for video editing, and you'll sound clear and crisp. With your voice and images ready, drag everything into CapCut. I use CapCut for all my edits because it's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. You'll see I played around a bit with the image order to match the story. Most of the images came with a white background, but that's easy to remove inside CapCut. Just use the Remove Background feature and tweak the intensity. Just be careful not to go too strong, or it might eat into your character. I reordered the images again. At first, I thought about cutting out the unnecessary pauses, but then I realized it would be better to just keep it short, so I trimmed some of the voiceover from the timeline. To make the avatar feel more alive, I use the Rebound Swing effect to add a little movement, just to give the avatar movement a bit of that How to AI vibe. You can also animate individual frames and add transitions, but to keep it simple, this is one of the easiest ways to bring your images to life. Then I added some quick video snippets, cleaned up the background, scaled a few frames to match the audio cues, and exported the final result. Check it out.
All right, boys and girls, hit that subscribe button, or I'm telling your mom where you were last night. Don't test me, I've got screenshots.
Unlike lip sync AI, this method uses pure voiceover and animation. This is just one idea, but it shows the power of creating a faceless channel using a talking avatar. Once you layer in B-roll, motion graphics, sound effects, and a high-quality voiceover, you're on your way to building something really unique. And the best part? Everything I just showed you was 100% free. If you want to take it to the next level, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to make and which AI tools you'd like me to review here on the channel. Alright, now I'm sure you know this guy. One of my favorite channels out there, AI Guy. His videos are hilarious, super engaging, and honestly a genius way to earn money on YouTube. So, if you've been Googling how to make a realistic talking AI avatar, this workflow using Leonardo AI, DupDub, and CapCut gives you solid results, even for beginners. Now, in this part of the tutorial, we're creating an AI avatar, just like AI Guy. You'll notice his avatar is a mix, part cartoonish, part realistic, and it totally works. Want to make something similar? Head over to Leonardo AI. To get that AI guy look, make sure to enable legacy mode. Then paste your prompt, and don't worry, I got you. I'm dropping a detailed Google Doc in the description with all the prompts and settings so you can create your own avatar for free. Here's how I did it. I turned Photoreal on, used version 1, set depth of field to medium, and selected a 16:9 aspect ratio. These are the results. Keep in mind, each generation using this model costs 18 credits, and you can only generate one image per click. Let me know in the comments if you want me to include one of these avatars in the Google Doc so you can use it too. Now let's bring this AI talking avatar to life. For this tutorial, I'm using DupDub, one of the best AI tools for voice syncing and animation. Remember I mentioned this is more of an intermediate tool? You can start for free using my link in the description. But if you're serious about going faceless on YouTube, the entry-level plan is super affordable. DupDub is a powerhouse. You can transcribe scripts from any video, generate voiceovers, translate content, and animate avatars, all in one place. Personally, I think DupDub is perfect if you're trying to build an AI talking avatar for educational content, tutorials, or product reviews. Inside the platform, you'll find a few options. You can use one of their photo avatars from the library, pick a motion avatar for a more realistic vibe, or go all in with a gesture avatar, which is more expressive and lifelike. I picked a gesture avatar, and it's set to 9:16, perfect for TikToks or YouTube Shorts. I've seen tons of creators using these formats lately. Here's how mine turned out.
If you're enjoying the vibe and want more awesome content like this, hit that subscribe button so the algorithm will love it.
Cool, huh? And here's a fun feature I love from this AI tool. DupDub can even animate animal still images. I uploaded this one, added my text for voiceover, picked a voice from their library, and they've got tons of great ones ready to go. This tool is perfect if you're trying to build an AI talking avatar for tutorials or shorts. After a few seconds of processing, here's the result.
Human, feed me, I'm starving!
Now let's go back to our AI guy inspired avatar. I uploaded the image, cropped it a bit to fit the frame, and selected a voiceover from their Tech Gadgets Reviews category. I went with an American English male voice, young, clear, and friendly. And the best part? It barely used any credits. DupDub is perfect if you're on a budget, but still want professional results. Here's the final output.
Hey there, Internet Wanderer. Yup, you, the one pretending to be productive while secretly binge-watching AI videos. Don't worry, your secret's safe with me, for now. But hey, before you scroll away into the digital abyss, smash that subscribe button like it owes you money. Stick around, this channel's about to get spicier than your ex's new relationship.
What do you think? Does it give you the same AI guy energy? Now it's your turn to create an avatar just the way you want it, and use DupDub to bring it to life with voice. It's an all-in-one tool, super easy to use, and totally worth it if you want to take faceless content seriously. Alright boys and girls, here's a bonus tip for you. I learned this one while working on the video. You've probably seen videos with anime-style avatars. There's one channel called Digital Income Project. Super funny. The avatar wears a face mask, and the vibe is awesome. Here's a trick if you love free stuff and want that style. Go to Google and type Talking Mouth Green Screen. Look for the free video from Pixabay. Yep, totally free. Just make sure you respect their content guidelines. Or head to Vecteezy for more mouth animations. Once you have the one you like, generate your anime-style avatar, then upload your image to Canva. Fit it to a 16:9 aspect ratio, and use the magic eraser to remove the mouth area. Then download your image and hop into CapCut. Drag your green screen mouth clip onto the timeline, scale it to fit the avatar's face, and use the chroma key to remove the green background. Boom! Now your anime avatar talks. Record your voice or generate one in DupDub. And just like that, you've got your own animated AI avatar ready to post on your faceless channel. Yup, this is how to make a realistic talking AI avatar, even on a budget. Alright guys, now you're about to see the exact method I use to generate my own custom avatar. The one I've used to take my faceless content from intermediate to pro. This setup is simple but powerful. I use 3 tools: 11 Labs for voiceover, Leonardo AI to generate the avatar itself, and Hagen to bring that AI avatar to life on screen. And personally, I use Hagen because it is one of the best AI tools right now for creating realistic AI avatars that look clean and professional. Let's break it down step by step. First up, 11 Labs. This tool is next level for voice generation. You can clone your own voice or choose one from what I think is one of the most diverse voiceover libraries in the world. Seriously, there's everything from conversational and narrative voices to podcast and educational tones. You can even use it to create an AI agent, sound effects, or full podcast intros. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on how to use 11 Labs to start making money online. Now let's head to Voices and explore the library. I already went through the deep dive for you and found a solid pick that works great for faceless videos. It's clean, natural, and fits perfectly for tutorials and social content. Here's how it sounds.
And by the end of this video, I and the other 2 avatars will be yours totally free. So buckle up. We're just getting started.
All you need to do is paste your text, and 11 Labs turns it into speech in seconds. Super easy. Next stop is Hagen. If you haven't used it yet, this tool is perfect for creating talking avatars. You can use it to generate explainer videos, translate content, or even make realistic-looking UGC-style ads. And yep, you can clone yourself too. If you watched my first videos, you've already seen what Hagen avatars look like in action. Instead of relying on basic lip sync AI, Hagen takes the heavy lifting for a more natural, realistic look. But in this tutorial, we're going to use the avatar we created earlier in the tutorial. The process is simple. Upload your photo to Hagen. Make sure your image meets their guidelines: clear lighting, neutral facial expression, and no pets or group shots. Then name your avatar, add a few short details to help the AI understand the core features, and click Continue. Now, play the waiting game while Hagen processes your avatar. Once it's accepted, choose your aspect ratio, landscape or portrait, and hit Create. Head over to the script section, delete the default one, and now grab your voiceover file from 11 Labs. But before you upload it, jump into CapCut and trim out any awkward pauses to make it sound more natural. Trust me, this part matters. If you skip it, your avatar could end up talking too slowly or sounding robotic. Once your voice is ready, upload the MP3 to Hagen, hit Submit twice, and make sure to name your project, choose your resolution, and turn off the watermark. Wait a few seconds and boom, your AI avatar starts talking. You can try Hagen for free, and if you decide to upgrade, they've got flexible monthly and yearly plans. Depending on what plan you choose, you'll get longer videos, higher resolution, and even more avatar slots, up to 30 minutes of AI video in full HD. Once your video is done, download it, import it back into CapCut, and add your transitions, motion effects, and final touches. And just like that, you've got a pro-level talking AI avatar that's ready for YouTube, TikTok, or whatever platform you're building on. Now I've got a question for you. Which method do you prefer for generating your own talking avatars? Drop it in the comments. I read every one, and I'm always looking for the next tool to review. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel, stick around. I'll be reviewing the best AI tools every week to help you grow faster. Oh, one last thing. Would you like your avatar to look exactly the same every time you generate it, no matter the pose or background? Good. That's coming up in my next tutorial. Subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and keep exploring, keep testing new tools, and stay tuned, because this AI game is just getting started. See you in the next one. Peace out.
Subscribe or I'm eating all your fries.